world, I'm very, very privileged to drive this $244,000 Canadian Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. This makes 650 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque out of a 3.9 liter V8 that's mated to an 8-speed Tiptronic S. Now, this has a top speed of 190 miles an hour or 305 kilometers. 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. Let's put it in Sport Plus, push the button, foot in the brake. I got 20 seconds, launch control activated, and go. 3.43.
After a few more runs, we were able to get 3.18 seconds in the Cayenne Turbo GT. Man, this thing is a monster. For reference, the 911 Dakar, which we'll be releasing soon, can hit 60 miles per hour in 2.98 seconds. Online, we have seen that Car and Driver were able to get 2.9 seconds with the Cayenne. However, that was likely done on a track surface and not our bumpy, pothole-infested road that we film on.
I'm not gonna launch, I just want you to hear the sound. Listen to this, okay? Foot to the ground. Listen. It's just so aggressive.